Oh hey, Jason Red 79 here, and here I'm going to an analysis of shapes of stuff resources in Astroneer. Here we have, like, you see over here, well, let's start with organic. Organic's an outlier. I thought it was shaped the same as other stuff, but something else, but no, it's pretty much completely unique in its structure. Interesting. Hydrazine too, but that's because it's a fluid. It's different from all the other gases though. Oh, speaking of which, I should like make the gases, but honestly, you've seen one gas, you've seen them all. So there's 6 you can share, I guess. Six gases, and methane and helium. Methane and helium look pretty similar, which shows that, probably shows that my graphical settings are not that great, I guess. Okay, so 6 gases in that. You see, compound and clay have the same shape, and there are no refined resources with a similar shape. Aluminium alloy, these two. Steel and titanium alloy take gases. Graphene is a compound of hydrazine, which is itself a composite. And nanocarbon alloy is a massive undertaking of several composites, which, since diamond is 2 graphenes, that makes it pretty labor intensive too. Ammonium and quartz have these nice round shapes, explosive powder and diamond, but for some reason glass turns into a like sort of chunk like that, so meh. Resin, rubber, plastic, silicone. And what is the recipe for these things? Let me just check. Rubber is organic and resin, so yeah, it has the same shape. Plastics, carbon and compound, which, yeah, has nothing to do with resin. And silicon is resin and quartz. So yeah, so understandable why rubber and why silicon and rubber have this shape, but not so sure why plastic has that shape. Anyhow, silicon gets to be one step up because it needs a gas, unlike these two. So we've covered those two. These metals, laterite, hematite, all have this round shape thing. Graphite, lithium, titanite. Out of these, titanite's the only one that needs to be smelted. Well, then again, clay can also be smelted, and quartz can also be smelted. So yeah, then organic can be smelted too. So the top, malachite and wolframite can be smelted, of course. And here you have the list of items that are in these shapes. Ceramic is shaped like this. These little bricks. These and these other shaped bricks. Let's just put them underneath their sources. From mine, aluminium, that's right. Ceramic. Yeah, you can see. Just a sec, let me grab that off. You can see that the shape that they end up does not have a lot to do with their original shape. Yeah, the shape after smelting does not have a lot to do with the original shape. Wait, fella, where's my zinc? Okay. For some reason I was missing out zinc. Okay, and with that, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, two, three, four, five, 6. There are. So there's 6 of these brick shapes. And actually, if I arrange these the other way, if I arrange them like this, then it makes more sense. Then you can see that all the metal objects, that these things all turn into this. So that one's fair. Quartz. Yeah, I can make this look better. Okay, so you can see the bricks this way. Okay, if you do this, then you can see shape like this, shape like this, shape like this, shape like this, shape like this. So yeah, that works. So there is like some rhyme and reason and pattern to this thing. You can see here, there. Just put them next to each other. So if you do it like that, then you can see that da 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 da. These are arranged by shape. These are arranged by shape. These are arranged by shape. There is some pattern to the whole thing. Okay. Anyhow, thank you, Systemera, for like taking the effort to make design even, and your like these resources here are good looking and interesting. Thank you very much. Anyhow, I thought like grouping them by shape and looking and seeing the correlation between their type, the original shape, and their resulting shape was an interesting endeavor. Okay, Jason Red 79 signing off.